Niels Hermansen, you're head of the Department for Nature, Environment and Landscape in Holbæk Municipality. What are the outcomes of the workshop?
I think we've got broadened up our perspective of what we achieve by different kind of activities in the nature, and how we can do a better job. We have been looking at both the impact in the small perspective, the smaller projects in the nature, and how they will influence on both environmental and social aspects. But we have also, and I think in the smaller scale, we have got some real good method that we can keep on working with. We have also tried the larger perspective to look at the whole municipality in order to measure the loss of biodiversity. And I think in this scale we have to work a lot more in order to find a good method to capture this loss of biodiversity.